Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Teardown. I haven't been recording over the summer because it's wet summer. And I also just got a new PC. Well, gaming laptop. So, Teardown. Let's get right into this. Play. Okay, campaign, sandbox, challenges, mod, manager. Let's do campaign. Part 1. Wait, no, don't leave without me. No, dang it. Okay, walk home. Don't do that. Is that my home? Looks pretty dumpy to me. Okay, here's a bridge right here. With train tracks. Oh, jeez, there's a train behind me. I hope that doesn't launch out at me at some random moment. Alright, let's open the gates. Yep. No. What the heck? Go inside. Do I just throw these things away? Be gone. Alright. And this one. Ready, Ann? Hiya! 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 Oh, now there's parts everywhere. Who cares? Alright. Let's go inside. Pick up your tools. Alright. If this is my house, I live in a pretty bad place. Probably like pour something. Sludge could do some serious damage. Spray can. I know exactly what to do with this. Alright. And there we go. Alright, let's get the fire extinguisher. Ooh, me likey. What's this? Used to turn on power. Alright. Is the computer over here? No, I don't think so. Fuse. That's not a fuse. It's in here? No. Okay. Oh, it's in here. Oh, oops. Alright. Well, let's just go on. It's blocked. Can we get in another way? Nope. Alright, let's just destroy this tree. That's just blocking it. Alright. What's in here? Can't destroy it. Oh, this is it. Replace fuse. Ah, there we go. Lights back on. Go inside and check messages. Alright. TV. Continues to see a steep drop off in revenue following a quarter where construction outdid demolition by 437%. The demolition business isn't just what it used to be, says Tracy from Walkout. Teardown. That's this place. Don't even read it. It's terrible. Lee Chemicals finally shows. Oh. Right. Just the computer. Tracy. Gas bill. Gas bill dropped on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure we can make it through the month. Getting on your question, at this point, we pretty much have to accept anything. Be creative. Hugs mom. It's just some... This just came in. Sounds kind of fishy, but we need to know. You up for it? Good evening. My name is Gordon Wu, General Manager of Ep1 Mall. I have a slight problem with an old building blocking our plan for the new wing, and I need someone to knock it over. I gone by tomorrow. I can't read this. From some quick destruction, let's do it. Ep1 Mall. Play mission. Old building problem. If it's an old building, if anybody's living there, someone probably old's living there, having a retirement. Okay, let's start destroying this thing. Okay, let's go inside and let's see what's in here. Come on! Good enough. Alright, see upstairs? Not much. Propane tanks explored when thrown. Ooh, that sounds fun. Let's go down and see that. Come on. Get down. There we go. through the door. There we go. Ooh, look at these things. Now, how do I throw it? Do I just swing it? Oh, like that. Yeah, perfect. Like that. Jeez. And again. Oh, I missed. Well, that's a bit far. This thing's so hard to aim. Oh, I missed again. Let's try this. Yeah. Oh, she's hit the tree. Oh, jeez, there's a fire in there. I don't want to get myself burnt on the job. Let's take this away. Oh yeah, just put tons of that stuff in there, and then go in and breathe it. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, just like that tastes good. I can't get upstairs. Now I'll just keep on destroying it. Huh. A little bit high. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Can't reach it. It's so high. There's a little bit of problem. If I can't reach it, then I can't complete the mission. It says it's a little bit too tall. I'm working on it, game. Well, there's so much pieces of stuff down here. Just continue smashing it all. Yep, continue smashing. Until we get to here where the brick is indestructible. Hope we come across another thing later on that can go through bricks. Or get like grenades or something. That'd be pretty cool. But for now we just have the propane tanks. And that will be good. Alright. This is making so much racket. That doesn't look realistic. Yeah, imagine coming back and seeing this as your house. That'd be terrible. The grass is so tall. Okay, now let's just circle it with the spray can and say that we finished it. Dum-de-dum-de-dum. Circling it around. Don't pay attention to me. Alright, there we go. A bit off, but whatever. Yeah, that's right. No. More. Home. L. Alright, let's go back. Yeah, let's put the little thing right there. I'm not even sure what the logo is, but I'm sure it has those two little dots. Although it might be over the O instead. Let's see if I can break my van. I don't think I can. Oh, what about the top here? That ladder's unbreakable. They're not. Okay. Okay, let's get in. You need to clear the required targets first. But I just... Oh, 5.2 meters too tall. Just restart the mission. Alright. Old building problem. Now let's do this the right way. Let's try to... Let's get the propane tanks and blow up the chimney first. Because we couldn't get the chimney earlier. Because we used the propane tanks on the other things. Come on. There we go. Now let's just start destroying everything. Uh-oh. Let's just get over here. Just destroy that. Oh. Oh, well. Uh-oh. It's the chimney's too tall. Uh-oh. This is a problem. This is a big problem. Unless we can find more propane tanks, then we're doomed. Oh. There we go. Anything over here? Oh yeah, more propane tanks. Here we go. Oh yeah. Alright. Now let's go and destroy that chimney. Alright, and fire. Beautiful. I think another one should do it. No. Okay, get this one. Oh, get out of my way, out of my way. That was what I just did. There was definitely possible. And aim, fire. Yep, that worked. Come on, there we go. There we go. Alright. Let's try to get up here. Oh, dang it. Come on, there we go. And on the second floor, I could have just used the stairs. Come on. No. Oh, dang it. I'm going back up. Okay, let's try this way. Nope. Not working. Let's just... Yeah, this is not working. It's not working. Alright. And... let's go up the stairs something in the way. There. Now let's finish destroying this building. Probably illegal, but whatever. And over there. Oh, come on, oh dang it. I could probably just do it from down here. Yeah. Just get everything. Just get everything. Oh. And that part. Oh. Get that part and that part. And that part, and that part, and that part. Just everything. Absolutely everything. Right there. And over there. Okay. It's just so much fun destroying everything. You should get the game. It's only $20. It's a pretty good amount. But you need a good computer to work it on. I got a new Nitro 5. Nitro 5. It's pretty good. So, that's why I can handle this game. Alright. So we're here now. For a second I thought that was a tree. Oh, dang it. Yes, there we go. And just continue destroying the wall. Yeah, I love how the things just fall over. Let's see if we can make this fall over. Oh yeah, amazing. That's brick. And then we can just destroy all of this. As pieces just of stuff just hit my face repeatedly. I probably have structural damage on my face. Alright. Almost done. More pieces of stuff hitting my face. In real life, I wouldn't have a face anymore. It'd have been destroyed. Okay. Just continue destroying it. Almost done. Here we go. Let's see if we can make this fall over. Yeah. Come on. Come on. There we go. And can't have a sign. Because that means that it's still alive, and it's not. There we go. Mission completed. Let me just destroy the rest of the scraps here. Yeah. Wait, imagine coming back and seeing this as your house. You'd be like, what the heck happened here? And why can I not see? Because I am destroying the lights. There we go. Yeah. Well, looks pretty good. Pretty good destruction. Can I destroy this one? Come on. Almost. Come on. No, I don't think I can destroy that one. Let's go. Whee. Okay. I think we have time for another. Let's just one more. Stupid alarm. Don't like alarms. And my bed is too uncomfortable. No bed. And this thing too. No, and this thing? No. We can destroy the ground. I want to go downstairs. Alright, we're downstairs. Ooh, is this our terrible car? Is this ours? Can I destroy it? Yep. It's making so much racket. Imagine being the poor soul living near this place. You wouldn't be able to sleep, and your ears would be bleeding. New message. Okay, let's see. It's still the gas bill thing. For Mom, the head of this place. Ugh, what a morning. Shouldn't have taken that job. I knew something wasn't right. That building was under cultural heritage protection. Yep, I knew it'd be illegal. And it's part of the... now it's an investigation. The police sent this photo. They caught you. Dang it. And I tried sweet-talking her, and she thought she could get the case dropped, but asked for a favor in return. I don't know what she wants, but she'll do it. She'll let me do it, Chloe. Here she is. Just so you know, I don't usually do this, but I'm stuck in a case and I feel like I should try something new. I've been investigating Lawrence Lee Jr. over tax evasion for months now, but he has so many friends in town that I can't get a warrant. How about you elect your skills to borrow the computers over at Elite Chemical so I can finally access his customer registry and sort this out? Let's do it. Delete computers. Play mission. Alright. Here we are. Delete computers. Can we just escape immediately? No. Can't. Can't have a sign. Alright. Can open the gates. Ooh, a car. I want to smash this into something. Alright. Just normal controls. Alright. Okay. Handbrake works. Alright. Okay, so let's see what's over here. Oh, no. Oh, dang it. Oh, jeez. I'm drowning. Oh, look how nice this water looks. Okay. Is this an explosive? Can I blow it up? I don't think I can. Oh. Tap. Alright, we got that one here. Got that one in that building. That one in that building. So here's this one. It's probably going to do first. This is closest. I also got this one. This looks cool. And we got... that's the escape vehicle over there. And the other one is right up. Where is the other one? Oh, right there. Okay, I don't think we can blow this thing up. Dang it. No lights. Can't see. Huh. That's useful. Quick save. What's in here? Okay, this is in the big building. I thought this was the big one. It's not. Oh, how did I turn that on? Which button was it? Oh, it's F. It's F. There we go. Must be locked. Dang it! Let's try to break in. No. There's brick. Sides? The window? I can break the window, but not. No. What about the back? Nope. I think this is the entrance to the big one. Yeah, this is. Let's just do it right here. Can we break anything? Guess we can't. Ooh, what's this? Oh, it's like this crane. Cool, I'll try to get. Okay, I think it's up here. That makes sense. Alright. Here we go. Moving at 1 mile per hour and destroying the wall. Alright. Let's get in here. Alright. Come on. Come on. No, dang it. Okay. Oh, can't reach up there. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can make it. You can make it. There we go. Target cleared. Anything in here? Yeah. Ooh, microscope, $60. Let's just destroy all the other lab equipment. Can we get through here? No. Can we get through here? I don't think so. But we can get through here. There we go. Dang it. Okay, what's over here? Oh, we're in this building. I think we might be able to jump off. If we can get to the roof, we can maybe jump off to the other building. Oh, there's some scaffolding up there. Maybe we could try to get up there. Can I? I can't try that. Okay. Alright, and that's brick. Oh, but I can go through here. I can go through here. I think I could get onto the roof this way. Come on, come on. There we go. Come on, yeah. Okay, I think that's the building. Yep, that is the building. Alright. We made it. Alright, which side? It's okay, it's over there. Top right. I'm gonna go straight down. What could be? There can't be any consequences with that, right? Just gonna. Oh, jeez, I took out all the power. I was only $40. Okay, I got $100 now. Let's continue destroying this person's place. But from inside too, really? Okay, we can't get a house. It's still brick. No. Probably shouldn't have done that. Okay, let's see if we can escape up here. Yay. Alright. And the last one is off over there. And that's the escape vehicle, and there it is. Okay. Here we are. Can't open it. I think that was a push door. Oh, well, I got it. I didn't really feel like I broke that much stuff, so I feel like I should break something else, like this. Come on. Fall down. There we go. Come on. The ladder. Come on. Oh yeah, the ladder just falls. Don't get in my way, ladder. There we go. Oh, nice. Just continue breaking it on. Alright. Wow. You will escape now. We have escaped. Alright. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate that you watch until the end of my videos, and I will continue making more videos. If you like. Let's say 5 likes. See you next time. Bye.